Blustery cold out here this morning. It's snowing. Got my guy Caleb. I'll start him up. Just getting light, still pretty dark. So we're here to dig a lookout basement today. It's a full basement, so I think we're gonna end up digging about 9-10 feet deep. Right over in here, so let's get these puppies fired up and start slinging some dirt. Today will be what we make it to be, so let's make it a great day. Getting going here. Garage, basically the same thing as this. Putting over there, a little jaunt, step in here. Going over to the other side. This is a lookout twin home. Pushing some dirt up with the D3. Looks like we're gonna be plowing all night after this. It's gonna be a long day or two here. Nice smooth pulls by Caleb up in there. We got Trimble on this machine, so we're great using Trimble 2D to set grade with this thing, so we don't gotta check as much. Helps a lot, save time. Less guesswork, which is nice. We got a 10-foot offset here, so your trench right there. It's snowing so hard. The snow comes up and buries your laser. Wow. Gotta love working in the winter, Minnesota. Land of 10,000 lakes and land of 10,000 feet of frost and snow. Next day, you can see the concrete guys got all their forms set in here, so just wanted to give you guys just a little bit of a video of digging this lookout. We'll be back through the hookup for the utilities up to the water main, sewer main, up to the street, and backfill probably next week. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching, and remember, it is what you make it to be.